Urban, does it have issues? Hmm? I said, does he have issues with his laptop? I already even opened it to see whether he started.
Welcome, everyone. Another beautiful day. Another beautiful day. Hope you all are having a lovely day. It's 2 p.m., 2:13 p.m. here in Lagos, Nigeria. And we're just about to get started with New York session, which is kicking off by 2:30. That's 9:30 a.m. New York time. And yeah, today we got ADP news as well as ISM manufacturing PMI. So it's in the title of the video. And we already had ADP unemployment already released, so non-farm employment. So that didn't move much needle in the market. So we just have had a consolidation of price. So our expectancy is to wait for 9:30 open and see which liquidity is going to be swept. We got London high here, we got London low here. We're closer to the London high, so I'm expecting that's where it's going to be swept. And if that happens, we'll be looking for shorts. Another beautiful day the Lord has made, and we thank Him for His grace and abundance. And we pray that through His guidance, we'll be able to make the right decisions, follow our rules, and we'll, no matter the outcome, no matter what the outcome is, we'll give Him all the thanks and adoration. Welcome once more. My name is Ademora Chika, and with me, Dr. Holmes. Dr. Holmes, want to say hi?
Yeah. Hope my mic is on. Okay.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, hello people. It's another day in Zamunda. in, in the market again. Yeah. We're here to still do like what we did yesterday,
Yeah.
Wait for our setups. They click, we'll take them and we leave the rest to run. Yeah, but we're going to only be taking precise entries. So there's this funny thing that happens. Markets are crazy end of the month and beginning of a new month. So you see those, it's kind of dicey,
Yeah.
So it catches like the beginning of this month and the end of this month and the beginning of this month, and then it shakes. It's crazy.
Yeah.
But hopefully with the shutdown of the economy, I think the US economy, right?
The US government, shut down.
Okay, they have a shutdown. That would probably reduce the uprise and uproar in the
Yeah, the
market.
volatility.
Probably allow price action to take place
Play
properly.
out properly. That's the
And
expectancy
hopefully our
today.
guy Donald Trump. Sorry, can I call his name? The President of the United States doesn't
DJT.
try to, the JT doesn't try to, mess around with this shit, because he just needs to cough, and then we'll be traveling somewhere else. So yeah, I hope you have a good time. You can pop in your questions. We're still going to leave that poll still on the chat today, so that we'll still take part. We'll keep leaving it till we'll actually get a good number of reviews.
Voting. So we want to know if we should add our London sessions, because our London sessions have been so great lately. this morning, for instance, we had German 40, and it was such a solid trade, and this was the trade. So we want to know if you'd like us to stream London session and, maybe ditch New York, because we can't do both. Or maybe we could do both, who knows? So, but let's see the reaction from you guys to let us know
we need to get the reactions first.
Yeah,
we need those reactions though. But yeah, it's not it is inconsequential whether we trade live on YouTube. It doesn't what I mean is it doesn't affect if we're going to still trade both London and New York.
Yeah, it doesn't affect.
Just looking for your
which one works
your
best.
Reasoning, your idea, if you would like to see us trade London sessions, because we definitely trade London sessions and trade New York sessions. So
yeah,
pop into the polls and let's see what you have for us. And please do comments, ask questions. I do not mind your bad mouths and whatsoever. Just put everything up together. I want to keep seeing them. I want to see the good comments, the bad comments, the love, the hate, all of them. I want to see all of them.
So guys, thank you so much for coming once again. Like you said, we're just going to follow our rules. It's a new month of October. I'm going to have, like, I was telling him earlier today that it would be great to have what I would say, like a green month, like a month where there are no greens, that there are no reds.
We probably don't have losses.
So but
of which is very feasible, very possible.
Very feasible, it's possible. So we're gonna be exploring that. We're gonna be extremely careful, but also very precise with our setups, and we're not gonna be scared to pull the trigger. So we're still gonna wait for 9:30 for our setup. Let me look at NASDAQ. So we're setting up nicely for a sell at the moment. If we sweep this high and potentially come and sweep this high as well, we could look for a reversal pattern to take us all the way. So this is an illustration of what I'm looking for. Something like this. Sorry guys, do that again. Something like this. Yeah. So if we can get something like this, that'd be great. Or further up like this. Either way, we're just gonna wait and see where it reverses. So welcome to the stream, and let's wait for 9:30 for 10 minutes. So just grab a cup of coffee, a cup of tea, and just let's get ready for the market.
I'll tell you, have a bottle of water. You need water. A whole lot of water. You need water.
And water too.
You need water.
No, I was just repeating what you said, that we need water as well, if that's your choice of beverage.
That's my choice of beverage, water. Or anything that looks reddish like this,
Yeah. 6 minutes, fellas. 6 minutes before New York Stock Exchange open. Let's stay alert. Yeah, we also had this very amazing trade yesterday on gold. Let me show you guys. And, yeah, this was it. About 580 pips in profits. That was a good one.
You're talking about our trade during the London session, right?
Yeah. No, I was talking about the gold trade from yesterday that's hit TP this morning during Asian session.
We had some good facelifts on prices yesterday. How you call it? You see, fortune smiled on us, right?
Yeah, fortune shined on us Isn't that how they say it? I forgot to.
But that didn't come without us looking at our setups and then farming entries and going into
the setups this past few days have been a bit stress-free. So, but we're not going to get comfortable at all because the market knows how to put you in this position.
Because the market is not comfortable either.
Yeah, it always puts you in this position where you get a little bit cocky, and before you know it, you're giving back everything you made.
Sometimes I have to put my hand on my neck just to calculate, to be able to know how my heartbeat is. So, because like yesterday, I wasn't talking. I definitely wasn't talking.
Yeah, it was so obvious.
Talking was going to distract my next option or my next decision.
It was so obvious. So we got 9:30 now. 9:30 a.m. So let's see where volume pushes us to.
What it has to offer. Yeah, you can see the volume has started kicking in. Volume.
We've done some significant numbers today, so we're not even like we're gonna be very chill.
We're not trying to hurry.
Locked in.
So
got a switch.
Just complaining. Jay was just complaining. Was sending the voice note. He was like, all the markets are just moving crazy. He doesn't understand. Saying from gold to Nasdaq to all of them are moving crazy. And so he's just going to sit on his hands for a while now.
Yeah, you have to. You have to. I feel like gold is still gonna continue buying, so I don't see why it should be selling.
You see what Nasdaq is doing, bro?
Yeah, I already commented on it. I was like, it swept the buy side, so this is exactly what we envisioned. So let's see whether we're going to form a reversal here or we're going to sweep Asia's higher as well. But I would love it to sweep Asia's higher as well, so that we can have
we'll take a sell and if we see a rejection and take a sell.
Yeah. So let's see. But ultimately, what I want
really swept Asian lows though, because I could see a whole lot of rejecting weeks on the lows.
On Nasdaq.
Yeah, on Nasdaq.
No, Nasdaq hasn't swept. Asian low is still intact, but you see what happened here.
No,
this is Asian low here.
This is Forex though.
This is Asian low here.
Let me see Asian lows.
This blue, this stuff here. And this is London low just on top of it. So London didn't sweep it. It just picked up from where Asia started pushing from.
trading view, call the Asian lows the price entry on trading view. Yeah, isn't you on trading view now?
Yeah, I'm trading view. On trading view, Vantage. Asian low is 24,447. While Asian low is 24,444. Then London low is 24,447. Yeah. You see, it's just two candles separating them. It's just the candle.
24,444. I want to just try. Let's check some.
It didn't sweep. It just pushed up from there. So those two levels of liquidity are like just sitting together there waiting. So that's why this is also what I want to see. But let it sweep this Asian high first. Yeah.
It's opening up Asian highs. I don't know, probably are different.
Use an indicator to give you a more accurate
indicator. I'm using Asian session high, low, and mid lines.
So if you're using time, if you put using time here, UTC -4, that's New York time, and London session or Asian session starts by 8 p.m. and ends by 3 a.m. UTC -4. Then London session starts by 3 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. UTC -4. So if you mark that on the chart, you'd see that just when Asian low was created, the next bullish candle was the London low. That's 3 a.m. So it's just a minute that separates the two levels of liquidity. Well, welcome, Harriet. So let's see. Now, what I also want to see is if I can see a closure above. Yeah, if I can see a closure above, and yeah, this is not convincing yet. Yeah.
Ouch.
Isn't what we want to see.
I'm going to send you something now. I want you to check something. I'll send you something.
Okay. Have you?
Sorry, I want to try one.
Have you sent it?
I was okay. I'm about to send it. Sorry, my camera was shifted. So okay. So that is the indicator I use for Asian highs and lows. So that bracket as a whole is what I use to depict my Asian highs and lows.
I've not seen anything yet.
Okay, does. Okay, yeah. Oh Jesus, man. Network is crazy.
Yeah, the low is correct now, but that's why I'm telling you that the next candle after that is the London low. You feel me? Asian comes before
Which
London.
low is correct? That
This
means if the low is
Asian
correct, that
range.
means Asian lows is 24506. That's what it means on this.
Hold on.
On
No. That is okay. I see why I made a mistake. I made a mistake.
Okay.
So no, I mean this is 1 minute
That's where
chart
it's
you're
swept.
looking
This is
for.
the sweeping, right? This is
The
this
swing
place.
low, this swing low you're looking at now under
I'm
this.
coming. But this, for me, on mine, this place, yeah.
Mm,
See that this thing here is the
yeah.
sweep of the Asian lows on
This is
mine.
actually
No,
the
yeah.
Asian low. This is like
Okay. But for me
this
now,
is
this
3
is
a.m.
in London. London sweeping Asian lows on my own screen. This is London sweep of Asian.
That's why
This
I'm
place
telling
I
you to
settled
use
like this.
time. Okay, that's why I'm saying you should use time, because if you check this candle right here now, this candle right here is 2:58 a.m., which is Asian session, just 2 minutes before Asian session closed. So after
Which
two,
one?
this
What part are you checking? Sorry.
look at this here, this last candle here, this candle
Yeah,
here,
this bottom.
this
That
candle
bottom.
here, yeah, this candle here is
Mm-hmm.
2:58 a.m., which is Asian
I'm
session.
coming.
Asian session ends by 3 a.m.
See, on mine it is 6:56. That's lows that I circled. Is this the place I circled?
No, this
Go back.
is
Oh, go back. Let me see something. I want to be sure of something. Let's be on the same page.
look at the kill zones here. This is Asian session. This
Okay, so
blue
can
this
you
blue
did you see the
range.
place I circled? Where did I circle at that point in
You
time?
This was where you circled. I can't remember, but I think you circled somewhere here. But this is the range. This is
Yeah, that
Asian
was the
high.
circle. Yeah, that's the spot I settled. That's the spot I circled. Now on
This
that
is
place,
the
that's
high.
on me. It's London on my side because
That
my place
indicator
is
is not
7.
correct. The indicator is not
It's
correct.
7:15 a.m. That's when this thing happened. Let me just show you so you
Put
see
it in
something.
put it in UTC -4. That's New York time, so that we're on the same page. UTC
UTC
-4.
was
-4.
let me come. That's crackers in New York. Okay. Yeah, it's not saying two. Okay, it's now saying 2:59 a.m.
Yeah, so that's Asian
But
low.
even at it saying 2:59 a.m.,
The next candle
on
after
my
that,
this is London. This is
that's what I'm
what
telling you,
happened in
that 3
London.
a.m. 3 a.m. is when London starts. So the candle after that low, the next candle, that's the next week you're seeing, is the London low itself. That's where London
Okay,
started.
I'm getting your point now. Yeah, I'm
Yeah,
getting your
so
point now.
immediately after Asian
That's when
printed
the
that,
next candle
the
picked up. The
next
London
candle now,
candle just
yeah, it's picked
let
up
me
on
see.
top
The
of
London
it.
candle 250.
Yeah.
It closed 258, 57.
Mm-hmm.
Let me see. Yeah. I'm doing 1 minute, so yeah.
Yeah. So that's
So
what I
it
was
didn't
saying.
sweep it. Has not swept it. If that
Mm,
is if London starts by 3,
yeah,
it has not swept it. It was just close.
yeah, yeah.
It has not swept the lows of the Asians. No, it
Yes,
has not
yes,
swept it.
yes.
Okay. See.
Let's see. It still hasn't given us a reversal pattern yet. So.
Okay.
Yeah. That's the push I want to see. Let's look at US30 also. See. Mm. Thinking of taking sales here, but let's see. I think you can take sales on US30 if you close below here. Yeah, I think we have something on NASDAQ, but no confirmation yet. This is very tempting, but there's no confirmation, so we can't take a trade here. As tempting as it is. US30 is the yeah. So I think if we break into here, I'll take sales.
Order rejected. Order rejected.
This is not allowing me enter. You can take, if this breaks this into this low, you can take sales on this.
It's not letting you enter. You're trying to enter.
Yeah, it's not letting me enter.
On your prop.
Yeah.
What is he saying?
The NASDAQ is like pushing so hard right now. I think we missed the entry.
It's not Nasdaq. Okay.
No, this is US30.
Oh, US30.
Nasdaq has
Nasdaq is looking
already,
like
it's already
itself. So
dumped. Yeah, it's already dumping. It didn't give us an entry, so
they have swiped the range. Although there are still ranges downwards over there. Yeah.
it's way
There's
down.
still more range. It's still diving.
Yeah.
You can see what happens if it doesn't break this supports. This place has two supports. There have been two supports. There's been a retest of its supports, and this is the third time it's coming to test the support, so it's likely going to break it.
A closure below, and you can enter sales on US30. Closure below. Or if it comes up here, this is another valid spot, but yeah, to be safe, just stay on by here. Closure below. So yeah, it's just like 1:2. Let's say 1:2. It's to what? 1:1.75. This would have been the best entry, but I needed this breaker to be violated first. So that's why I'm waiting.
Violated.
Yeah. But this would have been a perfect entry from here. So it seems like Nasdaq has left us, and we can't force anything. But yeah, it didn't give us any entry. It didn't give us an entry. Just playing around.
Have you hopped in already?
On this one? On this US30?
Yep.
No, I've not yet. I'm still waiting. Okay. Right now I can. I think now you can jump in.
5 minutes.
Order filled.
This is catchy.
I've not seen the right. See what is holding me back from taking an entry here. I've not yet taken an entry. I need like a proper closure below this. Yeah, let's use this as a. Let's wait for a closure below there. Then we'll use this as our high. Use this. Let's wait for that. No, the pip counts on US30 is crazy. Like, the stop loss on this trade is quite high, so adjust your risk.
US30.
Yeah, this is a lot. This is 133 pips, so that's why I need like a strong confirmation before I can do anything. Yeah, you see why I said we should wait. See why I said we should wait. See? Exactly. Exactly. Yeah. So you can see Nasdaq now seems like it's pumping. So there goes that. Yep. Get ready because US30 might just start dumping anytime now.
Hi.
Hey Harriet, how you doing?
Okay. I went to fetch breakfast. I've not eaten, so
All right.
I see that. Nice. So just to be clear, DSY is not tradable, right?
What? What's not tradable?
DSY.
ESY. Yes, it depends on what
DSY.
DXY.
DXY. It depends. I think it's tradable on some. I think it's tradable on some brokers.
This thing depends on the brokers.
Yeah, I think XNS you can trade DXY. I'm not sure, but I've never traded it anyway.
Okay.
Are you in?
Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. So let it just break below and
okay.
start going. Yeah.
I even prefer it gets a longer top, the steeper top week. In 15 minutes, I prefer it gets a steeper top week, then breaks low.
Yeah. So it's still dancing around here. So any structure break below here is high probability that it will dump. So I'm just waiting patiently for it. If it eventually breaks. I wish it didn't do all this. I wish it just had a shorter stop loss. We'll check what we get. Yeah, I had some.
Okay, network issue.
Yeah, I had some issues with the light.
Oh, okay. Yep.
Yeah, choppy. Are we gonna chop around today? Gotta wait. So I think we can adjust the stop loss to them. Dancing around. It was dancing. I mean, something big is coming. That's what that means.
Yep.
We don't know if it's gonna push up or down, but something big is coming. Hold on. I think. Hold on. I think what else? Sorry for the break in transmission. Sorry for the break in transmission. Yeah, it's part of living in Nigeria, I guess.
Order filled.
So yeah, can see that price is not giving us what we want. So it didn't break down like we wanted. So yeah, no entry here. No entry yet.
I'm taking out my sell stops.
Yeah, delete. You can delete your sell stops for now. We're stuck in a consolidation. I said we're stuck on a consolidation for now. So
it's
let's
actually
wait for.
it's actually affecting prices everywhere, kind of.
So we need to wait for a clear structure.
I entered a small bull trade, so it's just been dancing. It's not really moving.
Yeah, hold on, let me check something.
I'm just having weeks upon weeks, whipping the unders, whipping the tops, whipping the unders, whipping the tops.
Yeah, it's consolidation. I mean, all the news are out for today. But you remember, like, so let's see. Whenever price consolidates like this, it's normally building up for something, for a move, for a powerful move. So it's best to stay out until it's done with the chopping.
It's choppy.
So,
I just reached.
This is still
on this thing. I just reached, I think, 12 pips on it or so.
Okay. Okay. But the thing is, this is still 10 a.m. So we've just had like 30 minutes of 40 minutes of markets open. So we can't make any rash decision now, like writing off the day that nothing is not gonna happen. So I think maybe it's one of those days where we have to just chill and wait until something happens.
Pray until something happens. But here we're waiting until something happens.
Yep.
see. It's showing. See what it's showing.
Order filled.
What?
What have you done? What have you done?
Nice one, good. Nice one. Nice one. Nice one. Nice one. Nice one. Nice one. You run me. Yeah.
Yeah, you gotta
Shout
stay
to
out of
Good.
that consolidation, man. Stay out.
I risked very little, so that's why I'm not so. It's minimum. I just risked, I think, $10 on this for $50. So let's see how it goes. But I must still hop on it if he breaks his eyes.
Bruh, you gotta let that pair leave it alone.
Bro is my bitch. Don't be my bitch. My bitch. He used to fuck me over, but no more.
I was telling someone that it's like that gold is like that toxic ex that just won't leave you. It just keeps coming.
Oh God, Jesus. That keeps stalking you. Shout out to Gold. Can you imagine what he did to me? After taking me out, he's coming back to entry.
I told you it's consolidating, so it's gonna dance around before the big move.
Yeah.
And maybe that big move would sweep some form of sell side liquidity, maybe on lower time frame before pushing up.
Oh, I
So
did
this
see this. I did check
consolidation now.
15 minutes. I should have checked the 15 minutes. I would have still been in this trade. Maybe?
Yeah, this low might be protected, so this low might be protected. So anything that breaks below here, then we wait for
It's
structure.
one. Sorry, I'm gonna take a call.
Maybe Nasdaq will give us what we want eventually. So let's see. It's forming quite
Let's
nicely.
see what. Oh,
Or is it gonna
Almighty Good. Or save me rather from Almighty Good.
Bro, you see what gold is doing to you.
It has already done to me what it wants to do to me right now. I know it's just salivating, you know. When I'm eating the nigga.
I value my heart's health.
I didn't expect that pool. The pool was very sudden, like
It's always
thank God for
sudden.
stop loss.
Oh my God, gold.
Even though I think probably right now I've been in profits back by now.
Yeah.
If I waited, but it's all good. I can't tell what this nigga is gonna do.
Gotta wait for 10:30. That's when the new volume is gonna kick in. So that's the window I'm watching. 15 minutes from now. So Nasdaq seems to be forming nicely. So let's see. Might just continue buying for the rest of the day, or it will now give us the reversal pattern we're looking for to turn around. So let's hope it does that. But yeah, I think I like what I'm seeing on Nasdaq right now. Keep it PG. If you were wondering where all that volume in the market went to, well, here it is. Bitcoin is it's about to go on a generational run right now. Incredible stuff. Wow. Yeah, only one way up. So there was an announcement today that SEC approved offering Solana, Bitcoin, as well as Solana, Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, that's Ripple, ADA, Link, and XLM. They want to start offering them as Hashdex Nasdaq Crypto Index US ETF. So that's a huge news for Bitcoin right now. Huge news. So yeah, that's where all the volumes has been since markets open.
Yeah, I feel that can also help shoot the prices of Bitcoin and stuff like that.
Yeah, that's why I'm saying that Bitcoin. I was just showing you Bitcoin, like it's been pumping for See, it started pumping from.
No, it's already going up again.
Gold.
Yeah, created another support, another ranged for a while. And
it's not convincing yet.
not convincing. That other time frame you were on.
It's still stuck in that consolidation, in my opinion. Still stuck. See, look at this. This is piano keys. Piano keys.
Piano keys.
Barcodes. Yeah, we have like a proper break above now. Yeah, I need to like research to see what correlation this would have with the Nasdaq. If it's attached, if this Bitcoin ETF, Nasdaq ETF is attached to the actual Nasdaq. If that is the case, then it could influence the price of Nasdaq going forward. Or Nasdaq could influence, vice versa. So but I would look into it later today. Yeah, it's worth noting as well that we have previous high here, another liquidity. So yeah, not like I'm expecting it to come up here, but it's worth noting. This is previous day's high, so it's a stronger form of liquidity to all this.
Can you imagine how good this thing? God forbid.
Yeah. No, gold is right now. It's for people who can hold. It's not for scalpers.
not for scalpers like us.
It's for holding. You need to forget it. You need to put a position and forget that you even entered a position. Yep. They're both moving up now. So this was respected perfectly. I'm sure there are a lot of people who took longs from here. I'll be right back, guys. Let me go make some coffee. Couldn't leave the table because something might be setting up. So let me just chill.
Someone needs to check on Daddy T if he's talking.
I don't think he is.
Because that guy now, he doesn't give a lot before he speaks. He just comes around and just.
The thing is, the problem is that the forecasting platforms still list his speeches as yellow folders. You feel me? So
but
sometimes it's hard to list. Yeah, it should be a red
if you
folder.
doubt it, you can stand in the market.
I think it should be a red folder at this point. Trump should be a red folder.
Trump doesn't do no yellow folders. That guy is a red flag.
It's a red
walking
folder.
red flag, you see. Doesn't do yellow folders, man. He just needs to and slant the neck one side. Price will just start bending towards
or it will just start having a shit first, like a chop first. Or it will just start having a chop first.
Yeah, it'll start chopping. Then once he bends, slants his neck like this, before he takes the mic, the price will start following the neck direction. God. Every freaking market goes with him, man.
Yeah. I remember being on a long when he was elected, and I was like thinking, as he's elected, gold will continue buying. Gold spiked down like one heavy spike, I think up to 1,000 pips. Then it hit a POI on a higher time frame and just reversed immediately. And I was looking at it like, what just happened? Yeah, and since then it's been buying. It hasn't retraced to that spot anymore. Still consolidating gold.
I've rested. I'm just waiting. I'll take an action when he's taking an action.
You still want to try gold entry now?
Sorry?
You still want to enter gold now?
No. I will if the entry sets up, but not for what it's doing now. It's just eating everybody from bottom to top.
It's preparing for a big move, like I said.
Yeah, probably short actually. Because it's just rejecting. What I'm looking at it's been rejecting the top wicks. Yeah. And it has a good range below.
Yeah. There's only so much money to go around, so you can't have Bitcoin like this. Move ahead. No, I mean like gold, Bitcoin can't just be buying aggressively at the same time. So I think like there's an asset movement from gold to Bitcoin, or like a reduction in the buys of Bitcoin of gold, and investors preferring to pick up Bitcoin at the moment.
Even though I still expect gold to be bullish, but
obviously it's extremely bullish. It's still on its way. All these ones now just make it calm down small. Yeah.
It is shalayeing. Gold is leaving the choppiness, man. I'm about to have a buy.
I'll wait for break and retest before it whacks you one more time.
No, it won't wax,
bro.
Me.
You ready?
It won't wax me.
Okay.
It froze, man.
May the force be with you.
Amen.
May the odds be in your favor.
In my favor. Amen.
Historically, the last time US had a government shutdown was in 2018, I think, and after that announcement, S&P 500 dumped. That's US30.
Crazy.
Yeah. So, but the opposite is happening today. So. Pumping. God seems to be pushing now. Next stop for gold, 4,000.
And the other side. And we don't care nothing about the other side. Period. Period. All of these big deviants is all catching hell in 2024. It's up for all of them. It don't matter if you Diddy or whoever you is. TG Jakes, any of them. All lies will be exposed. That's all. And anyone who takes that the wrong way, know why they take it the wrong way. Turned down $50 million 4 times. 4 times. Just to protect my integrity and that virgin hole I was telling you about. Right. Because P. Diddy be wanting to body. And you gotta tell him no. You got to tell him no. I did.
Oh my God. Diddy be wanting to party, and you gotta tell him no. Did you jump on the gold buy? There's no way. I'm sure you're on this gold buy. I'm very sure you're on this gold buy. I'm sure you've jumped on this gold buy, no doubt.
No, I didn't jump on. I was watching. You know what I did? I paper traded actually. I just used my mind, entered the trade. I looked at it, bro. I was getting hypertension from the movement. I just stayed out. It's kind of crazy now.
Yeah. And Nasdaq seems
There's
like
no
it's
bottom
just
week on the 5.
pumping now.
So there's high probability to it's breaking the highs, but I feel it might still come down, create a little bit of support on the smaller time frame before it parachutes up.
If we can sweep this high here and come down and close below here, I'll take a sell on Nasdaq. So let's see if that plays out. Let me go make that coffee now. I'm back. I'm back.
Okay, weeks. Weeks, please.
The debacle now is that it didn't sweep this high, and it's coming down now. So
Coming down, yeah.
But I think maybe it's worth the risk. Yeah, your own discretion anyway. So don't just put a sell stop, wait for a closure below if you want to take this sell.
Mm-hmm. You took it off?
No, I've not taken it yet. So I said wait for a closure below here, like the candle. Wait for a candle closure below here before you enter a sell. Like when a candle closes below here, then you wait for the next candle to print. Then this would serve as a resistance for us. So let's see if it does that, or it's just continue spiking up. You're respecting the bullish PDRAs, so needs to disrespect this fair value gap and close below. Disrespect this breakout block and close below. So that gives us the confidence to enter this trade. If not, no trade. US30, what are you doing? Same thing with US30. I'm seeing some valid sells on US30 as well. But there's still a lot of obstacles before it comes down. But if you're willing to risk it, this is also a good entry. This is also a good entry. Yeah, it has already closed below here. Yeah. Let's see. I said closure below. There must be closure below. There must be closure below. Same thing here. Can we drive? Can we drive? You pick your poison.
Pick your poison wisely. But this is so good. Chakba, flogging
Good.
everybody. What is it?
You see what I told you? This is exactly what I
Christ,
thought.
oh,
It will induce
Bro,
buyers.
split second.
It will induce the
Split
buyers.
second.
Buyers
As in-
go feel
as I-
say,
And I was saying it was happening.
yeah. Go induce the buyers. The
Don't
buyers
come
think
back
say they
on
don't win.
that place again.
Remember when you were saying you wanted to buy it if it breaks out? Imagine if
You
you
say?
bought here. Imagine when you were saying you wanted to buy if it breaks out. Imagine you bought.
No, the drawdown would have been heavenly. See. Can you imagine? So I'm sending me to the village now.
Guy, and
you know the crazy part? You can be very, very unfortunate. Your stop loss won't just be triggered. The thing will just pass. As in, you know you're not smart.
yeah, it go sleep you. Yeah. I'm aware.
Because it happened that stop loss not being triggered happens a whole lot when there's volatility like this.
Yes. Mm-hmm. Are we still getting that dump or not? No sell stops. Wait for a candle closure below before you can enter a sell. This is just to mark it out so that we are aware of what we should be looking out for. Patience. Yeah, once it's like 11:30, we'll stop looking for positions and we'll log off the stream rather and just stick to our private zone and hold on and see if we can get positions. But once it's let's say 11:30, we'll cut the stream short. So you see what it's done now. You see what gold has done now. This is like a liquidity sweep that happened. This is a liquidity sweep. So if this place holds up now, this price, if you know, closure above here now, it's like a solid buy signal. It can close above all this. So we got total of 3 votes saying we should stream London. Okay, when Dr. Holmes is back, we'll ask him if it's that's enough for us to make a decision. My God. %, of trading is waiting for the right setup. So doesn't matter how long, as far as we get what we want at the end of the day. And if no trades, yeah, tomorrow is another day. No harm done. It's better to stay out than to lose, so you need to be absolutely sure. Yeah, Nasdaq and US30 playing hard to get for us today. What do you want? You want shawarma? You want ice cream? I've been a pizza. You want a Chanel bag? You want shopping in Dubai? Which of which? Yeah, safe to say this has been invalidated for now. So we need to wait a little bit more. Same here. Let's see, sure. I've seen it like sometimes come and sweep like highs like this and turn around. I'll just leave this open. Let me leave the other one open as well. Yep, just leave it. Still valid. If you can get a closure below here, it's still valid. So let's wait for it. It's finally gotten to the previous day's high. So if we have a breakout from here, then then it seems we won't have a trade today. But if this level it offers us that liquidity soup, it will be a very confident setup for us to hold all the way to London lows or Asian lows. Yeah. So well, in 30 minutes we'll go off YouTube. So thanks for the votes, thanks for the likes. So yeah, the way I was asking, 3 people voted to have the London stream. Do you think that's enough for us to go ahead? I think you're on mute.
I thought I was actually not muted. I am not muted. I've been talking all this while.
Yeah, that's why I said that you're on mute. I don't know if you heard me say that.
Okay. Yeah. So I'm like, I probably could really just leave it to spread out this week so that it would be like a new thing.
Let's do like next week. Yeah.
Let's keep the vote. Let's keep the vote tab open till Friday.
Next week. Okay. All right. Yeah.
Who's this? Stop.
We already swept yesterday's high. On the US30. So, Yeah, I remember I said something like this could happen. It could have this price go all the way down. It's so much volatility. So yeah, let's watch out for that. US30 seems like it will give us a more high probable trade. So let's go. Like I said, it has to be below this spot here. Yeah. So this is what I meant. I was mentioning earlier that we get cleaner setups on German 40 these days compared to US30 and Nasdaq. Possibly because there's a lot of volume, there's a lot of people trading. It's a US stock, so that possibly because there's a lot of volume, people trading it and all. So probably that's why. The German 40 seems to be a bit calmer, seems to be straightforward. Little or no liquidity sweeps after a liquidity sweep has happened, so it's more reliable. Yeah, so I think Nasdaq. Yeah, if Nasdaq closes here, you can take your sales. So yeah, DIY. I'll be right back. struggle. Price is still struggling.
Order filled. Order filled.
Yep, seems like we got something from him, so let's stay alert on NASDAQ.
It's just you respected the distance, the high.
Yeah, if he breaks below this, you know, can sting a sell. Yep, US30 not playing ball. NASDAQ turning around. So gotta wait. US30 looks like it's just gonna keep driving up. Then NASDAQ seems to be doing the same thing as well.
Of course.
They're finally gonna give us what we want. Be right back. Cells. If it closes below, you can take cells. I'll be right back. I'm back. Sorry. Wait for closure below. So US30 has invalidated, so I'm not looking for anything here. No. Yeah, this is done. So let's see if Nasdaq plays ball. Respecting bullish structure so far. Yeah, man, 40 still buying, bro. Yeah, it's clean up here, man. Yep. Okay, guys, I gotta jump off the YouTube stream. So no setup for us. As you can see, price is respecting the bullish PDRAs, so we can't get a sell at the moment. So my friends and I are just gonna chill on Zoom and just chill a bit, but I'm logging off the stream. It's been too long. So thank you guys for joining in wherever you joined from. Appreciate, and we'll see you guys tomorrow, same time, 2:15. And yeah, we'll see what the day presents tomorrow. So a no trade day is a win. So we'll take that win and call it a day. So we might still get a setup, but not on this stream anymore. So okay, have a good one, and see you guys tomorrow. Holmes, you want to say hi? You want to say bye?
So today wasn't like yesterday.
Yeah.
But hopefully,
yeah, we're still on Zoom, so
trades.
yeah. Yeah.
We just have to wait for our model to set up the take trades. So please keep this same energy because that's the only way you can stay up in the market. Okay.
Yeah. All right. See you guys tomorrow, okay? Bye. Good night.